I'm recording.
She's recording.
Okay.
Yeah, because you gave so much help. You gave me so many hints.
Oh, you
Okay,
must
so
have
we're
went
not
to
supposed to
the,
get anything.
you must have went to the Grand Street promotion.
What?
Hey, this is my present. Nice and order. What's that?
That's just wrapping paper.
Oh, I thought it
That's
was.
to keep it from, no, just to keep it from moving around.
To keep it from moving. Oh, what is Chanel? Remember Chanel?
Chanel.
Champ.
Hands by Chanel.
Well, why don't you come get the grandma and grandma the food? Let me see.
Hey, Grandma, you know, spent a lot of effort on this shopping. Oh, that's cute, Grandma.
I'm bringing.
I'm recording.
Sorry.
Come on, don't worry about recording. Just show your grandparents.
Oh, look at that. Sparkle, sparkle.
You shine in the dark.
Christine must have glued the box shut.
Oh, this is
Wow, that's nice.
Oh, how is he gonna?
I like the purple inside out.
Yeah,
Nice.
do the whole cycle. Did you like it?
You can smell it? The bottom lotion and then toilet lotion.
yes.
What is it?
Yes.
Oh no, Grandma and Grandpa went to Toys R Us?
What is it? Oh,
It's
look
like
at
hot,
that.
like Pepsilon.
Honey.
You mean we got you something you really wanted?
I wanted this.
You did.
Wow, look at the big
Let
grin.
me see.
Wow.
Oh, that's the same one you have.
No.
Oh no, she knows what she has.
Another one?
I'm building this tonight. Sounds like Legos.
Huh?
The Adventure Camper set.
Oh
More.
no. More?
Oh, we made a mistake. That's
Let me
not
see.
No,
right.
you didn't.
Oh.
Oh, your own
Got
car to
Oh, you
drive.
got all those things. Very
I
nice.
have 5 Olympias.
What'd she say? Each set comes with a little person, and it's not the same person.
Yay!
He's really classy.
Hey, you want to give me a shirt something? I can
Okay.
You just pull it.
Can I put this on YouTube?
No.
Just show my face, right?
You just be squeezed here.
Nicely.
Do you like this shirt? Well,
You
yeah.
reckon?
I love it. I love this. It's so cool. It could be like a little nail.
It's coming off?
You give me, you want me to do it? She knows how to do it.
Yeah. What were you saying, Smiley?